How to create workspaces in PowerToys Windows 11. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create workspaces in PowerToys Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta install PowerToys. In order to do that, you gotta head over to Microsoft Store, go to the top bar and search for PowerToys. And then if you have not installed it before, you'll be able to see an install button. Click on it and then you'll be able to see open. Click on open and you'll be redirected to PowerToys settings. At the top, you gotta search for FancyZones and then you gotta enable your FancyZones by toggling the button right next to it on. So this will allow Windows to snap into the zones. Next, you gotta click Launch Layout Editor and then you gotta select a present layout, columns for vertical split, rows for horizontal split, grid for multiple equal zones, or click custom, draw your own zones. So you can select any layout you want and then simply create that layout. Next, you gotta assign windows to zones in order to create your workspace. For example, I'm gonna drag and drop the VS Code right over here. To do that, you gotta long press Shift and then drag and drop VS Code on your screen. Next, I want to add Microsoft OneNote to my workspace. You can repeat the same process for it as well. Long press on Shift and drag and drop to your screen. Next, I'm going to drag and drop the Chrome. And well, now you can see your workspace is set. Each and every layout can be considered a workspace and you can create multiple layouts per monitor. And that is basically how you can create workspaces in PowerToys. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.